Alright, let's talk about something very crazy. I think it is crazy, and I hope to see by the end you will think this is crazy. So imagine a scene. A Pakistani Muslim man is teaching his fellow Muslim on how to pray, giving tips. But not usual tips such as stay focused, stay humble, focus on your faith kind of advices. Oh, no. This guy goes straight for the anatomy. He advises his fellow Muslim when he prays, his balls need to be off his legs and on the ground during the prayer when he goes to sajda.
ये जो सजदा है ना, ये जो टेस्टिस है ना, ये आपकी बॉडी के साथ टच नहीं होने चाहिए। अच्छा, टेस्टिस जमीन के साथ टच होने चाहिए। टेस्टिस को हवा में छोड़ना है। ठीक है, हम दबा के नहीं पढ़ते हैं।
Yeah, you heard it right, and yes, this is a thing now. A Pakistani Muslim man is teaching his fellow Muslims that he needs to ensure that his balls do not touch his legs, but touch the ground when he's doing the sajda during the prayer. And to make it even better, he gives them this little cute nickname, testes, short for testicles. I'm guessing that's when you are in deep prayer, the last thing you need is your holy ground is to get little too intimate, little too personal. Therefore, so you give nickname to your private part, your testicles, and then you call them testes. What is this? Seriously, is this prayer session or crash course on ball mechanics? What is this? Is this ball evaluation technique? What is this? Or is this proper ball management? What is this? Is this spiritual advice or PSA for gravity challenge anatomy? What is this? Is this spiritual guidance or ball mechanics? Seriously, what is this? And it gets worse. There are individuals out there like Ali Dawah and his gangs are asking Muslims to give them £100 for them to teach people how to pray. £100. And if this is the kind of groundbreaking wisdom they are sharing, how to keep your testes in check during the prayer, I really don't know, should I laugh or should I cry? Seriously, is this what the £100 prayer package includes? I used to think that learning how to pray was simply learning how to connect with the divine. And well, now I am reminded, actually no. It is also keeping your testes on point. Of course, I don't want to ask $1 million of question. What about woman? What does she should do?